Good morning. This is Rebecca Sauls. This is my application presentation for this week. I decided to do my presentation on the application ClassDojo. Our particular county has implemented a positive behavioral system, so we were looking for an app that would be along the same lines as your old school clothespin type deal. This particular application works wonderful. We use it in every classroom at the school I work at. It's real easy to work. The web address, all you have to do is create a class. It's super easy. You just put your name, address, create a login, and it asks you to pair up with any of the local schools that is around you. When you go in, it'll ask you to create your own class. I created my own class, and then now you just have to add your students. The student I'm going to add, when you add your students, any child, after you link it to your school, any child with that name that you might need to add would pop up. When you add your student, it gives them a little alien type thing to work with. And how it works is you can invite the parents so that the parents can actually see when the child is doing something good or when the child is doing something bad. For instance, if I tell Gracie she gets to add a point for helping John in the hall. So she just comes up to the interactive smartboard, clicks on her name, clicks on helping others, and it automatically gives her a point. Each child gets to do the same thing. For instance, if she was doing something good in groups, participating, I give her a point, or she actually gets to do it herself. If I wanted to add line working in groups, for instance, we do small groups, we can add things in there, and we can also add the different how it's weighted. So for instance, I say, okay, Gracie, you were working in your groups, awesome, go give yourself 2 points. So she would go to her little thing, give herself 2 points. Oh, you gotta save it. Give herself 2 points, and then gotta go back here to students. Gracie, this is where she gets to review everything for Gracie. All right, give yourself 2 points, and then she gets 2 points. But for instance, you can also use this for bad behavior. Gracie, you're not doing what you're supposed to in line. So they go up there and they click needs work. Well, the individual teacher gets to put in the skills that they need work on because every teacher is different. So you get to create your own skills and the points. So it's for good behavior and bad behavior. For my assessment of the usefulness of this app, it is extremely easy to use. It's very self-explanatory. I set mine up in less than 5 minutes. The majority of your time will be actually putting in each individual student. Once you create your good works and your needs works, that will carry throughout. So you will no longer have to do that. I think this is an excellent resource. It's free, and we absolutely love it in our school, at our school. Like, here is your address, and it's also located in Symbaloo that was provided in the useful links. This particular program is great, and I would suggest going ahead as soon as you get your classroom, go ahead and set it up, and then incorporate this in your rituals and routines. That way they know what is expected and what you are requiring of them. I hope y'all can enjoy this app. Thank you.